We're here at Innovative Car Sound 2017 Chevy Silverado. We're going to start off with the Clifford remote start with alarm system, lock, unlock, pop trunk, remote start. Flashing lights, honking horn, siren. We carry the full line of the Viper family. Viper, Clifford, Python, Avatar. Someone reaches in, opens up the door. Fires off. And for remote start, we push the start key one time. Lights flash, engine cranks. And on the inside, we set it up with a full base package, 2 kicker CVTs, flats, shallow mounts in a Pro Box, Rockford Fosgate amplifier. There's the box. Everything is hooked up to the factory radio. Car audio, LEDs, HIDs, window tint, remote starters. We've got it in stock and ready to go here at Innovative Car Sound. Come by the shop, check us out. We are open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. This one's all set and ready to go. 2017 Chevy Silverado. We'll see you guys on the next one.